Hi, guys.
Hi, Tommy.
Hi, Tommy.
How are you?
Good.
And
Good.
this is?
This is Jasper.
Jasper, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you, too.
And you're your sister's younger brother.
Yes.
How's that for a guess, huh?
Yeah, good.
All right, so what are we building today?
I think we're going to build a birdhouse.
Okay. You ever built a birdhouse before?
Yes, I have once before.
All right, so the first thing is we're going to use a piece of 1x5 pine. So I'm going to measure up. We're going to go 6 inches for the side. And I'm going to draw a square line across using a speed square. Okay, so now that square represents the front. So now we're going to take the peak of the roof, and I'm going to take my square that just drew a square corner. I'm going to turn it like this. Now we have a 45-degree angle. Okay, I bring it down, and I stop at this point right here, and I draw a line. I flip it over, and I draw it the other way. I draw another line. Okay, we have an X. Now I'll take another line and I'll make a square line across here, just like that. So I've measured up 6 1/4 inches here, and I'm going to measure down 6 1/4 from here and put a mark. So I then take the speed square and I put it right on my mark right there, and I draw a square line across. So now what we have is the front and the back of our birdhouse.
Okay.
So what do you want to do first?
Let's clamp and then cut.
Okay, there you go. Perfect.
To start it off, flip it over.
Okay.
Make the line. Now flip it back over. Flip it over. And now you're going to just pull back. There you go. Now you're going to try going back and forth, but don't push too hard. See, it's going to catch. So, ready? Don't push too hard. There you go. Yeah, like that.
There you go. See, now if you just go nice and easy, the saw will cut it.
Doing that. You got it?
Yep.
There we go.
Good
Look.
job. So we have our front and our back. Now we need to do the sides.
There.
Beautiful.
Look at that. We're going to take this piece and mark the next piece with it.
Okay.
Okay, go ahead and mark it.
Perfect.
There you go.
All right.
There you
Nice
go.
job. Now we want to cut the bottom. So we're holding these in tight. We take our tape measure, we hook it on there, we push our pieces tight together, and then I measure, and it says 7 1/2 inches. So that means we need to cut the bottom piece 7 1/2 inches. We can make the top go just like that, which puts it flush on the front and the back, or we
Okay.
can put a nice little overhang on it like that.
Okay.
What do you like?
The overhang, I think.
Yeah, I agree. Nice choice. All right, so that's 7 1/2 inches. If we put an inch on the front and an inch on the back, how long would that be?
9 1/2.
Exactly. Oh, you're getting there. Good
There
job.
you go. So we're going to drill the hole so the birds can get into the house with this drill. We have to measure to find the middle of the wood.
Okay.
So 5 1/2. What's the middle of that?
2 3/4.
2 3/4. Perfect.
So we'll mark 2
So why don't you
3/4.
mark that?
Okay, I'll mark it right there for you. So now we'll drill a hole. You're going to use a spade bit. This is a flat
See that?
bit, also known as a paddle bit. And you want to line it up like that and hold it firm, just like that, and push down. Now we have to drill a hole for the
perch.
perch. Okay, we have all of our pieces. This is our roof. We have our front and our back, the 2 sides, and the bottom.
Perfect.
What we're going to do is we're going to mark for the screw holes. So what I like to do is I'll take a board like this, I'll lay it on here, even on this side, make a line.
Okay.
Even on this side, make a line. Okay, so now the next thing is we're just going to eyeball it. So this looks like the center right there.
Yes.
Okay, now watch. I'm going to take that same measurement. I'm going to keep the same distance down here. You know how I'm going to do that? I'm going to use that finger right there. Once I find the position, over here, mark it there, 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 and there. And all those measurements are the same distance from the edge. And that's where we're going to drill our holes to hold our sides. All right, you guys ready to assemble this?
Yes. We can use one of the clamps to hold it together. Okay. Do you want to flip it over for me? There you go.
Perfect.
Perfect. Looks great.
There you go. How about
Very good.
that, huh?
All right, so for the last step, we're gonna put the stick in for the perch.
Oh, I like that idea.
All right, see, it fits perfectly, but we have to glue it first.
All right, the birdhouse looks great, and I think the birds are going to love that perch. What do you think?
Yes.
Yes.
I'm happy.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much for coming.
It's my pleasure. So till next time, I'm Tom Silva
I'm Camilla.
And I'm Jasper.
for Camilla's Workshop and Ask This Old House. All right, so you're going to build another birdhouse, I hope, sometime?
Yes.
Make sure you take me some pictures.
Okay.
All right. Thanks, guys.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.